Hey everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Fast Talk, the show where I talk about fast food, talking faster about it. And today I'm taking a look at the Dairy Queen Blizzard of the month, and that is their mint brownie.
Do you really want to taste it? Make a move extreme. Make a shortcut to your dreams. Float straight to the stars on that flying thing. Getting snowblind.
Just in time for St. Patrick's Day. So, yeah, try not to make a mess everywhere. But there it is. So, yeah. Oh, no. Sorry, I'm making a mess. But yeah, I haven't done flavor of the month review, so bringing those back. So yeah, we're gonna try one of these. Kick 'em in. It's like if you had those World's Finest chocolates and then just made it into brownies and put it in ice cream. Like how it tastes, and it's pretty good. It's also probably one of my favorites, that and the Reese's Extreme. Totally worth getting. And even better St. Patrick's thing if they did it with Lucky Charms. But like, I get this over the mint Oreo. I guess how freaking good it is.